As we grow older, the changes in our skin become more noticeable, and our hands often show some of the most visible signs of aging. Today's discussion focuses on how we can naturally reduce wrinkles, blemishes, and spots on our hands, rejuvenating the skin to restore a more youthful appearance. The best part? You'll likely find everything you need right in your own kitchen. By combining these simple, natural ingredients, we can harness their synergistic properties for impressive results. Let's start with extra virgin olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, it deeply moisturizes and nourishes the skin by penetrating the skin's lipid barrier. This keeps the skin hydrated and supple, reducing dryness and minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Extra virgin olive oil is also packed with vitamin E, polyphenols, and other powerful antioxidants, which combat free radicals and reduce inflammation, redness, and irritation, promoting an even skin tone. Honey is another key ingredient with remarkable benefits. It's a natural humectant, meaning it attracts moisture from the environment and binds it to the skin, keeping it hydrated, essential for maintaining elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Honey's rich composition of flavonoids and phenolic acids neutralizes free radicals that cause oxidative damage and premature aging. Its antibacterial and healing properties also help keep the skin clear and blemish-free, promoting a more uniform skin tone. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, plays a vital role in collagen synthesis. This is essential for maintaining skin structure and firmness. Its citric acid content gently exfoliates by dissolving bonds between dead skin cells, encouraging cell turnover and revealing fresher, brighter skin. This, in turn, helps lighten dark spots and reduce hyperpigmentation. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to slough off dead skin cells and expose smoother, brighter skin. It improves skin texture by reducing dullness and encouraging a more even, refreshed appearance. What makes this elixir so effective is the way these ingredients work together, providing deep moisturization, hydration, exfoliation, brightening, antioxidant protection, anti-inflammatory benefits, and skin lightening. Here's how to prepare and use this powerful hand treatment. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix until well blended. Apply the mixture to your hands, gently massaging for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing on areas with spots or dryness. Leave the mixture on your hands for 10 to 15 minutes to allow full absorption. Rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Use this elixir 2 to 3 times per week, and within a few weeks, you'll notice remarkable improvements in your skin's appearance. For optimal results, it's essential to follow additional hand care practices. Apply sunscreen daily, SPF 30 or higher, to protect against UV damage. Moisturize frequently with a rich hand cream to maintain hydration. Wear gloves when exposed to harsh detergents or cold weather. Avoid hot water, using lukewarm water to prevent skin dryness. Exfoliate weekly to gently remove dead skin cells and promote smoother hands. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water daily. Use nourishing hand masks weekly for deep hydration. Incorporate antioxidant-rich creams containing vitamin C or E. Maintain a healthy diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy oils while avoiding refined and processed foods. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption, both of which contribute to premature skin aging. We hope you find this natural hand care routine helpful. Use the elixir consistently, and you'll soon see transformative results. Don't forget to share this information with your friends and family, and feel free to leave your comments and feedback. Make it a wonderful day.